Hello my dear 4th standard students, exercise 3.2 we have to do today, isn't it? Exercise 3.2, we have finished exercise 3.1, today we are doing exercise 3.2. See, in exercise 3.2 first main question, find the sum. Sum means in first main we have done, when you add two numbers, the answer that you get is called sum. So, what is the A question? The numbers are given according to place value. See, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. The number is in your reader, you can refer, and also written on the board, 46,310. This is the first number. Plus, another number is, see here, there is no number. It means 10,000 place is no number, means direct thousands place 8,579. Plus another number is there. You can here also you can put plus, isn't it? Another number, which is that number? 622. Because there is no number in thousands place and no number is in 10,000 place. The number is in hundreds place. 622. These three numbers are given. You have to add, and the answer that you get is called a sum. So, in ones place, start from extreme right side as you did in first exercise 3.1. Same way here also. Start from ones place and add the numbers. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means one write down and another one you have to carry. See here. Already I have told in exercise 3.1 carrying. Put 1 and a round circle. This is carry 1. Next, tens place, these digits are there. You have to add all these digits. Which are those digits? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means again write 1 here. Another one is there that you have to carry. Next, hundreds place, all digits you have to add. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 means 5 units place 5, write 1, 5. And 1 carry to thousands place. Isn't it? You get 15. I will show you. If you get 15 here, see. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. This 15 is there now. 1 plus 5 write down. And 1 you have to carry for another place, thousands place. Understood? Next, thousands place, all digits you have to add. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, again 15. 15 means 5 write down and 1 carry to 10,000s place. Here 1 carry. Next, in 10,000s place, how many digits are there? You have to add. 1 plus 4, 5. Down there are no digits. So only 1 plus 4, 5. That 5 you have to write here. This is how much you can read. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. How much you got? 55,511. This is called the sum. Same way B question. There are how many digits? Lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. You can read ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So the numbers are given here. 7,13,246 plus 32,708 plus 1,501. Sorry, 15,001. These are the numbers given. You have to add and find the sum. Same way 6 plus 8, 15. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 5 write down and 1 carry. 1 plus tens, all digits add. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Again 5 plus 0, 5. No carry. Because it is a single digit number, there is no carry. There are only 5 you have to write here. Next, hundreds place, which are the digits? 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Again it is a single digit number, there is no carry. Next, thousands place, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. When you get 10, put 0 down and 1 carry. See here. 1 carry. Next, 10,000 place, how many digits are there? You have to add all those digits. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Again, 6 is a single digit number, so there is no carry. Only, next go for lakh place. There is only 7. There are no digits down, and also there is no carry. Only 7 is existing in lakh place. So that 7 you have to write here. 7 plus all the no numbers, only 7 is there. This is called and the number is that you got answer, that is called sum. How much is, you can read in words also. How you read? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 7 is in lakh place. 7 lakh. These two are 10,000 and 1,000, 60,000. 7 lakh, 60,000. These three are 100, tens, ones, 955. So totally read without stopping. 7 lakh, 60,000, 955. Again I repeat. 7 lakh, 60,000, 955. This is the sum. Understood? Next, go for the second main question. Find the missing digits. See here. Second main question. Find the missing digits. A question. Again, these numbers are given and a number is missing, but the answer is given. This is the sum. The sum is given. Only you have to put the digits wherever there is a block, dash, like filling the blanks it is. Understood? So let us start from ones place. See, in ones place, what is the answer given? 1. A number is there here, 8. These are the two numbers. This is a number, this is another number. These two are called addends. These two are called addends. And the answer is what they wrote, that is called sum. So which are the addends here? In first ones place, there is no number. You have to fill that number, and down 8 is there. So 8 plus dash is equal to 1 they are given. So 8 is so what number you have to put here to get 1? So 8 is already there. A number is there. See here. When you put 3 here, 8 plus 3, 11 you will get. So 1 will come in one's place. Another one, this one you have to write, they are written here, and another one you have to carry here. So what number you have to write here? 3. So when you write 3 here, 3 plus 8, 11. So 11 means this one they have written already, and another one you have to carry here in tens place. So these are the digits. 0 is in tens place. See the sum. 0 is there in the tens place. So what number you have to fill here? See here, already 1 and 6 are existing here in tens place. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus how much is equal to? Here should be once. Here you get 0. So you have to guess. 7 plus 2 if you write here. 7 plus 2 how much? 9. So 9 comes here means it is not wrong. It is wrong. What they have given? 0 should come here. So when you put 3 here, then you get 0 here. Because 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 0 right you will get right here, and 1 you will carry here. Isn't it? 1 is carried to hundreds place. Next number, go for hundreds place. 2 is given. Already 6 is existing and 1 is also existing. Because 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus how much? If you put here, you will get 2. 7 plus, if you write 5. If you write 5, you can see here 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So 2 it will come here, and 1 is carried to thousands place. Again go for thousands place, 7 is there. Already 1 plus 5 is ready. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus how much? If you put, you will get 7 in thousands place. So 5 plus 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus If you put 2, then it will be 7 here. So see here, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, isn't it? Like this. Next, there is no carry now, it is a single digit number. Next, here in 10,000 place 3 is given. Already 1 is there. What you have to put here? 2. If you put 2 here, 2 plus 1, 3. This is how you have to write the missing numbers. So the numbers are missing. They are given in a question mark or put it block, square box and fill the number. Understood? Next, D question same. Lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So what these are the numbers given? Addends. 2 addends are given. And also see here, one number is missing here in the sum. So what you have to do? Start from ones place. 2 plus how much is equal to 8? 2 plus 6. If you write 6 here, you will get 8. Next, already 4. 2 plus 6, 8. It is a single digit number, so there is no carry. Now go for tens place. 4 is given in the answer. Already 9 is existing. What number you have to put here? That you have to guess and write. 9 plus 5. See here. If you put 5, see if you put 5, 5 plus 9, 14. 14 means 4. Write down and 1 carry as you did in exercise 3.1. Again I will not repeat. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 means 4. Write down and 1 carry. Next, see the hundreds place. 2 is given. Already which are the digits existing? 1 and 4. 1 plus 4, 5. What number you have to put here? To get the 2 here down. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7. If you put 7, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 it will come down. 12. 2 write down and 1 carry. 1 carry. Next, thousands place. 3 is given. So which are see the digits. 1 and 4 are already present. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus how much? We will get 3 here. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8. If you write 8 here, see here. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So 3 will come here, isn't it? Like that you should understand and write. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So 3 you write down and 1 carry. Because 13. 3 write down and 1 carry. There is a block. Here no number is given, you have to fill the number. Easily you can add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 4 will come here. 14. 4 will come here. And 1 carry. Because 14 means 4 write down and 1 carry. 8 is given here. Next lakh place, 8 is there. And what are the numbers? Digits existing? 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus how much is equal to 8? 5. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. See, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Like this you have to write the missing digits. Understood? Next, C question I will see now. Wait. Can you see me? See here, C question. What is the C question? These are the now. This is the question given. Start from ones place. 5 is given in the sum. 5. Here it must come 5. Then what are the digits existing? 2 and 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus how much you will get 5 here? If you put 5. See, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So 5 will come here. It is a double digit number 15. So 5 write down and 1 carry. 1 carry. Next, tens place 2 is given. So what are the numbers existing? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. So put to get 2 here. if you write 1, so what? See the total, how much sum here? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So automatically when you get 12, you will write 2 here and 1 carry. Isn't it? Like this you have to understand and write the missing numbers. Next, ones times hundreds place what given? 6. So which are the digits given here? 1 carry. You have carried 1. That also you must add. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, how much? 8 plus 3, 11. You must get 6 here. So what number you have to put here? Again see here. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5. See here. When you put 5 here, 11 plus 5, 16. So 6 will come down and 1 carry. Isn't it? Next, go for thousands place. What number your digit is given? 9. You must get 9 here. Like that you have to put numbers. Already see which are the numbers existing. 1, 5 and another 1 is there. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1. You have to add these digits and see what number you have to put here. See 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Isn't it? 7 means what number you have to put here to get 9 here? 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. You must get 9 here. Already 7 is there. If you put 2, 7 plus 2, 9. You can check here. 1 plus 2. You have put a digit 2. You have to add 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. You got 9. It is a single digit number, no carry here. So go for 10,000s place. Which are in 10,000s place, what is the answer given? 7. You must see which are the digits already existing. 3 and 2. 3 plus 2, 5. What digit if you put? You will get 7 here. 3 plus 2, 5. If you put 2 here, if you put 2, then automatically you get 7. See here, I have written 2. You can check. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Like this, you should analyze and write the missing numbers. Isn't it? You have to practice. A D question take for homework. In first main, find the sum. There are 4. A, B I have done. C and D take for homework. And this also A, B, C, D questions are given. I have solved A, B, C. Only D you take for homework. You try to analyze and write the missing digits. Understood? This is how. This is the exercise 3.2 first main and second main we have done. The remaining problems we will continue in the next class. See, already your test is nearing. Those who have not taken books, come to school and buy the books so that you can complete the maths CW. Incomplete students, again you will get a hurry. So tell your parents and come to school, buy the books and complete your maths CW. Okay? Thank you.